One of the key aspects of BIM is adding information to your model. Selecting a building element, we can see its properties in the Properties panel. Under the General Properties tab, we find some CAD properties such as color and layer. Under the Mass Properties, we find the geometric information. The BIM Properties tab shows information such as the building element type, spatial location, and composition. Under the Quantity Properties, we will find volumes and areas. These can be displayed per composition ply. The final category shows the properties that are governed by the IFC standard for that specific element type. Unless a value is grayed out, you can change the value of a property.